Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Welcome back. Today I thought I would do an unboxing with you guys. So here I have a Louis Vuitton wallet or billfold, and then here I have my Louis Vuitton purse. So let's get right into it. So let's go ahead and do the billfold first. I love the packaging, so you can always keep your packaging. So it's the billfold, and my husband got me both of these, so just want to make that clear. Lint bag. Okay, and then this is the cream color and the blue. Thinking this is blue, maybe gray, I don't know. But... okay, so it has a zipper on. Okay. It has a lot of card slots. I guess if you got Louis Vuitton, you're gonna have a lot of cards. Not in my case, but yeah. So it has 6 card slots on this side, 6 card slots on this side. Then it has an opening here, and then it has the coin purse here, or the zipper parts for your coins, I'm guessing. Okay. Love it. Love, love, love. Okay. Let's put it back in here first. Okay. And let's get on to the purse. Can you guess what color it's going to be? Actually, I set it on top. Okay, lint bag. I love, love, love the lint bags. All right, here we go. Top color. So cute. So small and so cute. I love this. Okay. So it has a little lock feature here. Open it. I love the pink. I love the pink. Then it has a longer, I guess this would be crossbody. Crossbody strap. I love this little tassel on the side too. And then it has a little pocket here. It doesn't have much in here because this is a small purse. But it has a little pocket here. And it's cloth on the inside. Okay, and then it has a little lock feature there. So cute. Let's put a little crossbody strap on. I love that this can be like just a little carry, like this if you want, or you can do a crossbody. Let's move this out of the way. So cute. So Fred got me the billfold first without even getting a purse. I know he was going to get me a purse, but he got me the billfold first. So I had, of course, to get a purse to go with it. So he got me this in Charlotte, North Carolina. And then he got me this in Charleston, South Carolina. Because online it was out of stock online. So we had to go to the store to get it. So I love it so much. This is what I'm going to be toting next. I have the brown one, but I'm going to carry this definitely. I'm going to tote this for the summer. Alright, you guys. I hope you enjoyed as much as I do. I hope you enjoyed the video. stay tuned for our next video. And check me out on my channel. Make sure you like and subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Bye.